Hi guys, welcome to our new video, and in this video I will show you how you can create a logic to double click to copy text from any text view. So it is very easy and you can easily create this in Sketchware. You don't need a custom block. So how can you do this? Please watch this video to till end. So first of all you want to create an project and go inside the on click, and inside the on click create a logic. First of all you want to create a variable and you need to control block if then, and you need your number block here, and go to operator blocks, and from the operator blocks take the lower block, and inside the lower block place the minus block, and add the number block on minus block left, and in the number block write a code system dot current time millis, and close this line and save. Inside here place your number block last click, and the greater value lower value is 500 milliseconds, and inside the if then block add copy to clipboard block, and add a twist for showing the result, copy, and from the view get text block and replace this block inside the copy to clipboard, and select the text view which you want to copy the text, and here you want to add this code also like this, and now you can run the project. First of all I want to I add some text here. uh, Welcome to our channel, please subscribe. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel and like the video and hit the bell icon please. So now install the application and open, and I have single click but not copied. Now right now I do the double click and you can see copied. You can see here the text copied. So it is very easy to make a double click to copy text from text view, and I hope this video helpful for you, and I hope you like this video. So please like the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon, and join our YouTube join our Telegram channel for latest updates and some files. So thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.